is up, guys? This is Renz Dagz TV. Thank you for being here in my channel. If you're new here, please do help by sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel with bell off. Thank you so much. And in this video, guys, I'll be showing you how to downgrade your Huawei firmware for you to be able to install Google services in it. And if you're lucky right now to have the LZ Play work on your phone, which I have in my previous video, if that works fine for you as well, then you're good and you don't need this downgrade process. But if that does not work for you right now, if you have the latest version of the EMUI or its build, then probably you might need this. And if you do so, then this would be the video for you, and that's what we're going to show you right now. And let's get into it. So first of all, let me show you the version of my EMUI here, and that would show this here. It's 10.1.0.268, which LZ Play don't work with anymore, okay, or on it. So in this case, a downgrade is needed, and for this phone that I have right now, which is the Mate 30 Pro, so that's Mate 30 Pro, this version here requires to be downgraded to the 134 as I've tested. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me show you how to do that. So I have the fast link in my description below, and this first file that we are going to need here is the firmware finder APK file. So let me install that right now and open it up, and then you would see these prompts. Just allow, do not show again, okay, and then say okay to this attention disclaimer thing. And we are going to need to add our model. So in order for us to get the exact model of our phone, go to our phone's dialer and press these numbers. Okay, that's asterisk, hashtag asterisk, hashtag 2846579, hashtag asterisk, hashtag asterisk. And then you will see this page here, which you will need to go to the number 2 option that says veneer informations, and then on the next page go to the version info, which is number 1, and you will see these things listed here. And what we are going to need to take note of are 2 things. That's the base software version and the cost software version. The base software version is for the software that we need to install to our phone, which in my case here should be the 134, which I have currently the 268, which I just showed you a while ago. And the cost software version here should be the phone's model. In my case, that's the LIO-L29-CUST. So let me take a screenshot of that. So in case we're gonna need to go back there, I'm gonna so I can show you, of course. Now, once we have those information, so let's go back here in our firmware finder and click on add model. And again, it depends on what model you have in your end. And in this case, like what I just showed you, I have here a LIO-L29-CUST. Say okay, and mine is now added on the list, which I'll be clicking on. Just ignore the ad, and then I'll look for the 134 version. And then in my case, I have that at the bottom part of the list, and in this case here, it's kind of long. So here at the bottom, so if you remember, the software version or the base software version starts with LIO-LGRB2, and that's what we have here as well. And we just need to take note of the numbers at the bottom right hand, this 316787 thing. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this one as well in case we need to go back. So you know, you can just actually leave the application open on your phone. It won't go anywhere, but you know, just in case, it's better if you have a screenshot of it, so you know you don't need to probably launch it again and search for it again if in case you accidentally close it. So now that we have that information, so we need now to go to our PC. Now in our PC, we have the downgrade folder here, and that's included in the description for the link of files that I'll be putting up on there and here. So we have 4 main files. This one here is on our phone already that we just used a while ago, so that's fine. So now there's 3 more files that we are going to need for this downgrade process. Let's extract all of them. So this is for the first one, this is for the second one, and for the third one. All right. Now, make sure that you install the HiSuite version that's included here on the files in this video. So that's the one that should be working and tested to be working on this. So you should have this one installed, and if you have the latest version installed in your PC right now or laptop, make sure to uninstall it. And in my case, I have this one already installed. Let me just show you what I have and the version here. Okay, so that's the version 10.0.0.510 underscore OVE, which is exactly what we have here and what is needed to be installed. So anyway, once you have that ready, then we need to proceed to the next folder here. This folder 2.12.17.3, this is the version of it, by the way, for the firmware finder for our PC. Just click on it, double click, and once you have this window, click on the common base tab, and then search for the software, which in this case, let me pull up the screenshot I did for that. Here, that's the one under the base software. So it's gonna start with this one here, by the way. Oh no, base software there. So that's LIO -LG RP2-OVS. All right, and then that's 10 dot. What do we? It's the one ending in 134. Anyway, you can either put in the numbers or just just until here and search for it and manually scroll down to look for the version that we need. In this case, I need the one ending in 134. So here, remember the number that we just took down note of a while ago? This one here, it's 316787. So it matches. So this is the one that we need. So this is good. So in this part here, once you identify the software needed to be installed, you can then open up the next file from our folder named HiSuite proxy, and then double click this exe file, and you will have this window here. So there's 2 main windows right now that we need, and in this window, delete everything that's on these fields that I'm doing with right now, okay, that I'm showing you. So don't touch any of the other settings, just these ones that I showing you right now, and leave a check mark on this point version here because we need that later on. So here, since we have this file ready, go under the file list column, click on the file list link, and then copy this link from here and paste it on the package URL field under the HiSuite proxy. Now close this and go back to the version that you need, and under the firmware column, copy the name and then paste it on this field, and then you're good to go. Just click on setup, wait for this thing to run, and wait for the confirmation that would and I'll show you that it's ready to proceed and all that. In this case here, it says checks finish. You can proceed to the installation now, and you can close this window as well as this one and leave this one for now. So once that's done, you can now insert your phone to your USB port in your PC or laptop. So you will see this HiSuite open up automatically. If it doesn't, you can just open HiSuite manually. That's fine. And then on your phone, go to the settings and then look for HDB if it's not yet activated. So in this case, I'm going to turn this off and back to on. And so it will ask me to get a number, which it automatically installs this HiSuite app on your phone that you need to click on. Say next, agree, allow everything. Then it will give you this number you can put in on this field, which in this case, this is the numbers I have to connect. And there you go. And when it's connected, just wait for a bit until you see this orange dot here, which in this case it did. So it will do that automatically. Okay, now if you miss that, you're gonna need to click on this setup again. So then until you will see this orange dot, but automatically it should do that right away once it's connected. Just take a few seconds or a minute, and then once it's there, click on it and confirm the version. In this case, I have the version 134, so that's good. Now I'm going to update, agree, and wait for the download to finish, as well as for it to install completely. So at this point, guys, we're just gonna need to wait for it, and I'll be back once it's done, so I can show you how it looks like on our phone screen as well. So I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so once the update is completed, as it shows here, it also indicates that your device is restarting, and this is also what's happening to your phone. So as you can see, it's currently installing the update. So let's go ahead and wait for it. Alright. And so let's see. It's still installing the update around right now it's at 65, 66, going to 70. It's pretty fast, but it actually would depend to the software that you're currently installing to your phone. So it seems like for my version here, it's just not that big file to download and install. So hold on one second. I'm also watching my daughter right now, since I'm the one taking care of her. So sorry for the shaky video right now. So let's see. Hold on guys, just really quick. Okay. Oh, wow, that's so nice. And it's restarting, so we'll see. And it also disconnects with the TeamViewer access, because this one here needs to restart, and then after this it also would need it would need to reset the phone. I'm going to show you exactly the prompts here. And again, I apologize for the shaky video, and you know, as I have to move away for a bit, or here. So it requires this low level format data partition. I'll just click on that, and you will see the screen here for e-recovery. Just put the yes word here, say yes, like that, and then press the factory reset button. There you go. And then just wait for it. Hey, here. Here's your toy. Wow, this is so nice. You play with it, okay? Papa is currently busy. Here, look. Wow. Sorry about that, guys. My mom just or have to step out today for a very important matter, so I'm the one taking care of her right now, and it just so happened that I'm also doing this video, so you may hear her in the background right now, so I'm so sorry about that. Alright, waiting for the phone to restart again, and then after this I'll show you the version of it, and so you will know if it's successfully installed. And I may also do a quick restore of the LZ Play backup to show you guys that it works. Okay, so hold on, I'll be back, just one second. And we're back. So we have just installed the downgrade version, or the downgraded version of the EMUI, and phone has also been resetted. And right now, let's just set this up for the first time again. So next, agree, next. I'm just gonna skip it for now, since we don't need to to the internet yet. And I'm also gonna skip this part for now as well. So here, enable join, enable set up as a new device, try, let's close this. Oops. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of difficult really. And then skip this one, enter. And so we're here on the phone's desktop page. Then let me show you the version that we have right now, which we just installed. So now the build number says 10.0.0.134. So pretty much this is the version that I needed here on my Mate 30 Pro right now, so I can make the LZ Play work. And also, as a bonus, I am going to restore the LZ Play via this HiSuite app on my laptop, so I can also show you how this works. Okay, so in this process, there's no need to bring back the date to, you know, or no need to backdate to previous year or a month or whatsoever. So I'm just gonna plug this in right now, and you should see that my HiSuite should prompt my screen. Hold on. Here, opening up. There you go. So it's gonna ask for the HDB again, since this has just been resetted. We'll go back to the settings, look for HDB there, turn this on, and I get the prompt here, and also it communicates to my laptop. Now it's asking for me to do something here with the prompt. Say always allow, then OK, and here it's telling me that there's HiSuite app installed, which is gonna be here on my phone. There, HiSuite. Say next, agree, allow everything, allow, and then you'll be given this number. And then I'm gonna put it here. So in my case, it's 738-576-44, and then I'm gonna hit connect. Alright, now it's connected, and I'm going to restore my backup. So I have a backup copy somewhere here, which I will be checking first. Hold on. I actually have that into different folders, so let me just extract this. I will also link the file in the description, so you will be able to get this backup copy, which here I have this backup under the folder that says HiSuite Backup November 2020. So that's what I'm going to restore right now. So as you can see, my phone is still connected. It's just the screen just turned off. It's still connected. Okay. So here I'm going to look for the file. In this case, it's under my desktop. Go there, and here under this folder. So I'm gonna choose that. Hold on. May not be there. Hold on 1 second. I need to edit actually instead. So edit, go to desktop, so here, and then this HiSuite Backup November 2020. Say OK. And it's not giving me the backup yet. Hold on. something might be missing here. I may have missed something, but give me one more second here. Ah, there. I clicked on the wrong folder. Okay, there you go. So I have this now here, and restoring it with this password. Alright, say okay. It's restoring and done. Alright, so I can now close this one out since we're done with the restore process. In here, I can then just disconnect, and there you go. I have my LZ Play app here now. Let me open it up, and as you can see, I will now activate it and allow, and I have the LZ Play working on my phone right now, which I can then just leave in the background since I'll be installing the GMS. And the installation guide will be on a different separate video, so this is just actually to let you see that LZ Play is working fine here now. And just to show you again, I am on this version, build number 10.0.0.134. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this helpful, so I would appreciate your help by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you again, and see you in my next videos, guys. Thank you, goodbye, and peace. Oh, and one more thing. So if you'd like to restore the backup file using your phone or a thumb drive, I will have the backup copy linked as well. That is for that process. This one here, the backup November 2020. So that's for the mobile version type of restore. So you can use the backup and restore feature under the settings using your phone. So that's it. Thank you again. Bye now.